In this video, we'll show you how to free up RAM on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for that, first open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on device care. In here, tap on memory. In this menu, you should see how much RAM is currently available and how much is actually used. You can tap on this clean now button to immediately close all the background processes and free up RAM quickly. As you can see, the available RAM is now increased. However, if you are still not satisfied and want more RAM for your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can tap on this RAM Plus feature. Now turn it on. Now select how much additional RAM that you want to add. So what this feature does is uses your storage as a temporary RAM. So if I select 2 GB of my storage space will be allocated to the RAM. So simply select your preferred option from here and then tap OK. Finally tap restart to apply changes. Once you do, you should see additional RAM right here in the memory tab and your Samsung Galaxy phone should run faster. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.